before the video begins, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can, so make sure to smash that like button. I'd greatly appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also, while you're at it, make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I upload a new video. I upload every single Friday, every single week, and I'm consistent. So make sure to like the video, subscribe if you are new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty, everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Let's get this video to 30 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I'd greatly appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you are new. That helps the channel out a lot, and I would really appreciate that too. And also comment what you thought of the drawing. Don't be afraid to comment, because I reply back to every single comment. So comment what you thought of the drawing. It's been a minute since I've done a My Hero Academia drawing. I think the last time I made a My Hero Academia drawing, it was last year. So hopefully you all enjoyed this drawing of Todoroki as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making it, and I think the outcome came out really cool. So hopefully you all enjoyed. I have not been keeping up with season 5 of My Hero Academia, the newest season. But if you want to see more drawings of My Hero Academia, make sure to smash that like button to let me know. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.